Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we'll look at the Bing Chat GPT4. As you guys know that Chat GPT is already an OpenAI project and that is available for the customers who have logged in with Gmail and some other emails. So here we have this Chat GPT4 version by Bing. So you can access this over the Microsoft Edge, and these have three conversation styles. First is creative, second one is balanced, and third one is precise. So as per your need, you can select any of the style to get the desired results. Okay, so here we have very few recommendations that you can use to search, as well as if you use a Microsoft Edge, you can get this thing over the right side panel. And let me write a simple thing like write a login form code in JavaScript, and very basic wise that you can ask this Chat GPT, or you can say this Bing Chat. Okay, so this is going to get you the results that you always ask for. And if I look for a basic creative thing, let's write a poem and something like that. So this is working fine. This is what we expect from this Chat GPT4. Okay, so to access this, all you just need a Windows operating system with Edge browser. The must-have thing is the Edge browser. Okay, and over this Microsoft Bing search engine. Okay, apart from this, if you are tired Bing searching this or binging over this thing, you can also search using its search engine. And a pro tip is that it gives you points that you can redeem later. Like there are some activities that you have to do in every daily search, and you can get more and more points. Okay, so if you see, I have currently 147 to 165 by just simply looking over the weather result. Okay, now similar to this, you can perform more activities, or you can just go over the dashboard to look at the points that you have made so far, and then you can redeem that. Similar to this, I have redeemed many times, like 1 or 2 times maybe. So if you go over the redeem, you can look for the coupons or cards available as per your regional area. So yeah, this is what I have redeemed in previous time, like 4,000 and 1,650 points. And this way you can search, and you can also be creative and also use Open Chat GPT4 as known as also as this Bing Chat. Okay, so this is how you can use and take advantage of this Bing Chat GPT and search engine. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.